my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ping pong game in Scratch. So, let's get coding.
Never break, always fight.
So, let's break this up into 3 steps. Step 1 is to create a background. Step 2, create a sprite. Step 3, code your sprite. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is putting the title for our thing, for our project, okay? So, of course, it's going to be very obvious to say ping pong game because we are making a ping pong game. Am I right? Okay. Now let's get a backdrop. You could choose any backdrop you like. I'm going to be going with the neon tunnel. Now you have to pick a sprite. So I'm going to be choosing the ball sprite. And then I'm also going to be choosing a pedal so that the ball can bounce on the pedal. Here's my pedal sprite. And now I'm going to be needing a line sprite. Here's my line sprite. So you can just take your line sprite and move it all the way down, like at the bottom of this little screen. There we go. And now let's put our pedal here. So let's do the code for the ball. So when green flag clicked, point in direction 45. Going to be taking a forever block, and then it's going to say move 15 steps, and if on edge, bounce. Now that we're done with this code, we want the ball to bounce off the pedal. So let's make the code for that. So we are going to be taking when green flag clicked, a forever block and a if then statement. And we are going to be saying if touching pedal, then it should bounce off it, am I right? So then we are going to be saying to move 15 steps and turn 180 degrees. Okay, now that we're done with this, let's go to the pedal. An easy way to move the pedal is very nice way and I like it. It's when green flag clicked, forever set X to mouse X, and then we also going to be have to add a point, right? So let's go to variable and say score, and then we can say also change score by 1, and of course we have to set our score by 0. Okay, and now clicked forever. If touching line, then stop all. So this little block is gonna like stop every single thing. So let's test it. Okay, did you see it stopped everything?